Folks, it is official. Bed Bath & Beyond stock is under 10 cents per share. We have to do a quick update on that stock in this video and why the heck everybody is flooding out of it, especially today. And later in the video, we're going to break down the overall stock market, which, well, it is not looking that good either. So jam-packed video today. If you all find value, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And of course, don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo. It is free money. Link down below. We'll talk more about that later. And now, cheers, guys. Let's dive right into it. So yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond stock is under 10 cents officially today for the first time in history, and the overall stock market, guys, is not looking good at all either. We have the Russell 2000 down 1.6% right now. As you guys can see, if I pull this up, we have SPY down over 0.6%. The Nasdaq's actually not doing that bad. The Nasdaq's only down 0.3. If I pull it up, you guys can see, as we have the Dow Jones down 0.8%, and we have the VIX. Are you guys ready for this? The VIX is up over 9%. Huge move up here for the VIX, as we've been talking about here on the channel, guys. Like I said time and time again over the past couple of days, we are due for a move in the VIX. The VIX is at, well, it just hit 1550, which is actually the lowest it's been since it hit 14 points back. When was that? Back in July of 2021, guys. That is over, not over 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago. As you guys can see here, if I move my face a little bit, we hit 14 back in this time period. You guys see here again, July of 2021. So the overall indexes here in the U.S. are getting squashed. We have the VIX moving up, and of course, again, Bed Bath & Beyond falling under 10 cents for the first time in its history. So let's break down Bed Bath & Beyond quickly, then we'll talk about the overall stock market, do a technical breakdown there on SPY and on Triple Q. So let me pull it up and see what is going on now on Bbby. And you guys may or may not know, tomorrow's actually the day it is going to get suspended. The shares are going to get suspended, and it's probably going to go OTC at that point, which is over the counter. And over the counter markets, guys, the over the counter markets are very, very unregulated, very crazy. Let's just put it that way. It's kind of like the wild, wild west. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens to Bbby as it's trading OTC. I'm actually very curious to see how that plays out, and I'll probably make some more videos as Bbby goes OTC, so make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. But right now, check it out, guys. It is at 8 cents. It's about to fall under 8 cents by the looks of it. Let me actually pull up this intraday chart. You guys can see we went from about 10 cents at open roughly about 30-40 minutes ago all the way down to now 8 cents, and we had a little bit of a relief rally about 10 minutes ago, which obviously is not lasting. Now we're actually dumping back down to the lows from about 10-15 minutes ago, being 8 cents flat. So by the looks of it, this wants to take out 8 cents and probably go 7, 6 cents. It might even get there later today for all we know. I don't know. The market's just opened up 40 minutes ago, guys. So at this point, Bbby stock is down around, let me see, from open about 20%, and overall from the close yesterday, it is down 22%. Oh, there we go. We just hit 7 cents, guys. 7.9 cents. So now we're down over 23% on the day. So essentially, why we're seeing a big sell-off right now, it's pretty obvious, right? A lot of people are trying to get out of the stock. They are getting out of the stock as the company is, filing. They did file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, but more importantly, as the shares are going to be suspended and they're going to go OTC. People are getting out of the stock before that because, well, they don't want to deal with an OTC stock, and I don't blame them. Although I am holding my shares, I don't blame people that want to jump ship at this point. I mean, it's obviously a sinking ship. Doesn't seem like it wants to squeeze anytime soon by the looks of it. I mean, who knows? I could be wrong. We don't know the future. Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen, but really that's what's going on. People are getting out of it. They're dumping out of it before it goes OTC, and, you know, they're throwing the towel in. That's what it is, guys. They're throwing the towel in, calling it quits. That's the reality of the matter. And now look at it, guys. It's at what, 0.77 cents? It falls. It keeps falling minute after minute after minute. We just hit a fresh low of 7.6 cents. So it just keeps on getting worse, guys. It keeps on getting worse. And like I said in my video, I believe yesterday I made a Bed Bath & Beyond video, I'm just going to hold on to my shares. I mean, at this point, my shares are literally worth, like 70, 80 bucks. What the heck's the point of even selling at this point? I'm down so much. I had 1,300 shares at 41 cents average cost. Now we're at what, 7, 8 cents? So I'm down a bunch. You know, those shares have gotten destroyed. What is the point of me selling out? And I'm sure a lot of you guys are feeling the same way. I'm just going to hold on to it. For me, guys, it's an amount of money that I was willing to lose when I got into it, and well, here we are. I'm losing it all as the minutes go on and as the days go on, and it's all good because, again, going into it, I was like, all right, Bed Bath & Beyond, I'm probably going to lose all my money. There's a chance, a decent chance at that, and here we are. It happened, and I'm not surprised at all because I planned for this weeks ago when I started buying the stock as a pure speculative bet. And here we are, guys, again, down 22%, completely collapsing. And of course, tomorrow, May 3rd, is a big day. We're going to talk about it more tomorrow and see kind of how the stock's reacting. So make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo. Link down below. Once you open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. And if you deposit at least $100, fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks. And guys, listen to this. If you deposit at least $1,000 onto the Moomoo platform, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. And if you don't like the platform, you can simply take out all your deposits, you keep all the free stocks, and boom, you get free money. And of course, it also helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's talk about the overall stock market right now, which, like Bed Bath & Beyond, not as bad, not nearly as bad, but the overall stock market is not looking pretty at all. Let's just put it that way, as the VIX now is up 11%. And you guys probably know I'm still holding my position in UVXY, which today is up almost 9%. Look at that, guys. UVXY is finally starting to make a move. Not the move that I think it could make, which I believe it could start pushing mid-4s, maybe 5s again, but it's starting to get some momentum. Let's put it that way, as again, the VIX is up 11%. So let me pull up SPY and see what's going on today. It looks like there's a lot of volatility heading into the Fed meeting tomorrow, the FOMC press conference statement, all that good stuff. It's going to be a good day tomorrow, guys. I'm pumped about tomorrow. Looks like we're starting to get some jitters. Markets are getting a little bit antsy by the looks of it, right, guys? We can see SPY yesterday hit 417.60 at its peak. That was in the middle of the day, pretty much smack dab in the middle of the day. And now it's trading at, let me see here on the intraday chart. Where is this thing at? Now it's trading at 412. It actually got all the way down to 411.75. You guys can see a huge cliff dump pretty much from the beginning of the day. From open, SPY was at what, 415, now to about 411, 412. It is down about 0.7% from where it opened, and it's down 0.8% now officially from the close yesterday. So we're getting a clear rejection, guys. You all probably know, if you've been watching my YouTube channel, we have been seeing resistance at 416.17 for months on SPY, and well, now we're seeing it again. We're getting rejected at that point yet again. Now we're starting to dump back down to the moving averages, which, mind you guys, the bulls are still in charge. We're still above both moving averages. We still have a golden cross here on the 4-hour chart, but the fact that we are getting hit at 416.17, that's not the best sign, at least in the short term. But overall, my alert is still set at 417. We'll see if we ultimately get a push through that level. Time will tell. I don't know. But right now, in real time, we're getting some jitters. Markets are antsy, and we're starting to sell off ahead of that FOMC statement tomorrow, both on SPY and, you guessed it, on Triple Q as well. You guys can see Triple Q is down, not as much as SPY, but it's still down about 0.5%. It's at 320, and we're failing to break out, at least as of now, 322 to 323, which has been resistance ever since the end of March. So if we do end up pushing through that point ultimately in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, that would be very good for the bulls. But right now, again, we're struggling at that point, 323, 322, although we're still above the moving averages and we still have a golden cross. So in other words, the bulls are still in charge, but there's a little bit of resistance in the short term, which is fine. We'll see if we push through it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Just wanted to do a quick update there on Bed Bath & Beyond stock and cover the overall stock market, which again is looking a little bit rocky right now. We'll see if it recovers heading into close. Time will tell, and of course, I'll do more updates later on today, so make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button while you're at it, and let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And guys, do not forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo. It is free money. You could also get 12 stocks from Webull. Link down below. That's up to 27 free stocks, and of course, all those links help out the channel as well. With that Without you, this would not be possible. And feel free to check out my Patreon if you want. Today's the best time, or really just in general, the beginning of the month is the best time to try it out. If you guys want to be a part of it, you want to be a part of the Discord chat, see my charts and ideas throughout the day, have more access to me throughout the day as well, and see me build out my Patreon portfolio. All of that is linked down below. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.